Hem been story good with them family that Bam go overseas, go waka for supporting family, build him up house and live a good life. For help him na small one blow him. So him tell him wife say okay him good you go. So boss say him go. Waka how many years send them come slain and no sem. Asking ka wife how na story blame me home anything been process or kind of send the wife say yeah everything said me pay two three four things blah house me support him small one me pay school fee blame everything said okay after how many years pass and then the truth him go across that the mobile boss pay him for wife take him give him nalo naraman Slant the lot of big amount MTKM bosses and them come and sponsor them lo nara bolo karabo tu. So you think this is good? Like M been spending his ass off as blame no sa rest good na lo waka and then your wife you just beat around the bush lo behind. You think this is good? This is bullshit, full of bullshit. So you think that him go him enjoy life blame nar side. No more him no enjoy life blame nar side. He's been working his ass off and tired restless night and you just spend it like lo nara bolo emra around no more wasting time blame. So I am very bad for you those ones who got loved ones blue nar side and you've been playing stab low backside blame. You think I'm good. This is bad. Viewers, comment what do you think about kind person Osama. You think this is good or need for put on for by to look backside blame?